Welcome to AppSolvers. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add, remove, or change your address in Google Chrome. To do that, click three dots on the top right in Google Chrome. Hover over Passwords and Autofill. Select Addresses and More. I don't have a saved address here. If you need to add your address here, click Add button. Fill in details. Hit Save button. And the address was added here. If you want to remove your address from here, click three dots in front of saved address. Select Delete. You can also edit it from here. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.